Hello, I'm Franz Josef, and today I will answer the 3 most frequently asked questions about the FSG cleaner. The FSG cleaner from OSTERMANN is the perfect choice for after production of your furniture is finished. This cleaner can effortlessly remove pen and pencil markings as well as adhesive and paint residue. Simply let the cleaner soak for a minute and then wipe it off. The FSG cleaner works particularly well because it is fast and effective without damaging the surface. Please note, however, that it should not be used on acrylic surfaces. An additional tip, always wear gloves when using the product. We offer different types of FSG cleaners. It's available with a citrus scent or odorless, as well as with or without an antistatic additive. We also offer various container sizes and types, such as spray heads or spray nozzle inserts. This allows you to always find the right format for your requirements. The antistatic additive in the FSG cleaner discharges the surface, making it less susceptible to dirt. This means that dust and other particles don't stick as easily, thus keeping your furniture clean for longer and reducing the total cleaning effort required. These were the 3 most frequently asked questions about the FSG cleaner. If you have further questions, please contact us. You can find more information in our online shop. Thank you and see you soon.